Hello students, let's talk about something about probability. As you all know, what is probability? Probability is chance to do something. Probability is number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. This is probability. Suppose you have a coin and you have tossed it. How many outcomes you can get? You can get only two outcomes. If you toss one coin, you will get two outcomes. One will be head, other will be tail. If I say what will be the probability of getting a head on tossing a coin? If we toss a coin, what will be the probability that we get a head? What will be the favorable outcome? Head. What will be total outcomes? We have total outcomes 2. 1 by 2 will be the probability. What will happen if we toss two coins? Total outcomes will be 2 की power 2, 4. There may be head on first throw and head on second throw. Head on first, tail on second, tail on head, tail on first and head on second, or tail on both the throws. So how many total outcomes we will have? 2. What if we toss 3 coins at a time? How many will be the total outcomes? 2 की power 3, that is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. First will be either head on all the 3 throws. Next option is we get 2 heads and only 1 tail. First head, again head, only 1 tail. Same case, we will get 2 heads and 1 tail, but this time tail will come at second place. Similar situation, but this time tail comes at first place. These are 3 cases when we get 2 heads and 1 tail. Another, only 1 head but 2 tails. Head, tail, tail. Similar case, we get only 1 head, but this time head comes at second place. In the same case, now head comes at fourth place. 3 cases where we get 1 head and 2 tails. Another is 3 tails, 0 head. Clear? We have total 8 total outcomes in case we throw, we toss 3 coins. Clear? Another type of questions which we get in probability are on dice. You all know dice. लूडो खेलते हैं सब लोग. डाइस होता है उसमें कितने आउटकम्स होते हैं बच्चे उसमें? If we throw 1 dice, how many total outcomes? 6. Either you get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. How many total outcomes do we get? 6 की power 1, 6. What happens if we throw 2 dice together or throw 1 dice one after the other 2 times? How many total outcomes will we get? We will get 6 की power 2, 36 outcomes. How can we calculate all of them? First, write 1 on first dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 1 on first throw and 1 on second. 1 on first, 2 on second. 1 on first, 3 on second. Similarly, 2 on first throw and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on second throws. 3 on first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on next throws. 4 on first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on second throw. 5 on first throw and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on second throws. 6 on first throw and same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on other rows. In this way we will get 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 36 outcomes we will get. Got it? What if we throw 3 dice? How many total outcomes will we get? 60 power 3, 260. You don't need this in class 10. You will need it in class 11. We will do it later. Understood? Another type of questions that we get in probability are on cards. You all know playing cards, tash ke patte. How many cards are there in a pack of cards? We have total 52 cards. 4 type of cards we have. First is club, then spade. This is the sign of club. Then spade. Heart. And diamond. Four types of card we have. 13 cards each. 13, 13, 13 and 13. First card is of ace. Each card has one ace. Ace is number 1. A. It is for number 1. Next we will get number cards 2, 3, 4 up to 10. All the cards will get cards 2 to 10 number. Then number 11, that is called jack or J. 1 jack for club, 1 for spade, 1 for heart and 1 for diamond. Next 12, queen, that is Q. 13th, king, that is total 13 cards. Club has, spade has 13 cards, heart has 13 cards and diamond has 13 cards. Another thing, what are face cards? Cards of jack, queen and king are called face cards. How many face cards do we have? We have total 12 face cards. 3 each. 3 of club, 3 of spade, 3 of diamond and 3 of heart. How many red color face cards? Red color face cards will be 3 of diamond and 3 of heart. 6. How many will be black color face cards? Black color face cards will also be 6. Got it? Note it down. We will do some very important questions on these in the next class. Thank you.